Matt Webb versus Harry Fox.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, our third fight of the evening is professional mixed martial arts over 3 5-minute rounds of action, as sponsored by Uncontrollable Clothing and Supplements. Would you welcome first, into the red corner, representing Waterside MMA, Harry Fox! Would you welcome his opponent into the blue corner, representing Team Bulldog, Matt Webb.
So, professional MMA over 3 5-minute rounds, and you can see Harry Fox from Waterside MMA making a good name for himself, has a real height advantage over Matt Webb from Team Bulldog, who came off a debut loss and is looking to put things right, and he'll have a tough job here. It's no easy match again for him against Harry Fox, who's brought a big following here, and immediately they tie up, and a big slam attempt from Webb, but he does get the guillotine. How tight he's got it, we'll have to see. But from the slam attempt, he went straight to the guillotine. He's still got it, and he's trying, as you can see, he's trying to pull back now, crank that neck, as Fox tries to get upright. Fox breaks free of the hold, and beautiful takedown, hip toss there, top position, and gets the mount as well. Good work here by Fox. Now trying to flatten his man out, sinking in the left hand to the rib cage. Webb trying to buck his man off. Webb trying to pull his man close to him, keep the distance tight between them. And you can see Fox posturing up for the ground and pound, and this could be it. He's given this back and it's all over. Ground and pound very quickly by Fox once Webb gave him his back. Superb result for the Waterside fighter.
Could we have Giles to the ring for the presentations, please? Giles to the ring. We do have a winner by way of ground and pound in 1 minute 37 seconds of the opening round. The red corner, Harry Fox. Please, once again, let's hear it for Matt Webb.